Hello everyone and welcome to our channel HR Innovation. Today we are focusing on Factories Act 1948, specifically the welfare chapter. This chapter is crucial for ensuring the welfare of workers in factories. Let's break down each section and understand what they entail. Alright, let's start with section 42. Washing facility. Firstly, provide and maintain adequate with suitable facilities for washing for all workers in the factory. Secondly, provide separate and adequately screened facility separately for men and women. Thirdly, make accessible all the facilities to all the workers. Moving forward, facilities for storing and drying clothes, section 43. This section contains some powers with the state government. It states that the state government has the power to direct the factories regarding the place of storing and clothes of the workers. Moreover, they can also direct them regarding the manner of drying the clothes of the worker. It applies to the situation when workers are not wearing their working clothes. Thereafter, section 44, facilities for sitting. There are various kinds of job in a factory. Some of them require the worker to stand for a longer period of time. There is no doubt that human power to stand has a limits. Looking at such cases, this section states, firstly, the factory should provide suitable arrangements for sitting for the workers. This is important because whenever the worker gets some free time, he or she may be able to take some rest by sitting. This will also enhance their efficiency. Secondly, if the chief inspector finds that any worker can do his work more efficiently while sitting, then he can direct the factory official to arrange sitting arrangement for him. Thereafter, section 45, first aid appliances. Injuries are somehow an inescapable part of life for the worker, especially working in the factories. Looking at the safety and welfare of the workers, this section provides that the factory should provide and maintain proper first aid box at every workroom. Under this act, the number of boxes should not be less than one for every 100 or 50 workers. Moreover, the first aid box should have all the relevant contents according to the Act. There should be nothing except the prescribed content in first aid box. Each box should be under control of a first aid in charge who will handle all its requirement and utilization. The in charge should be an expert in first aid field. In case the number of workers exceed 500, then the factory should arrange ambulance room with the availability of all necessary equipments. Next section is canteen. Section 46. Every factory where the number of workers exceed 250, then the state government may direct the factory owners to provide and maintain a canteen for the workers. Thereafter, moreover, the government may lay down certain conditions in the construction of canteens. First one is the standard in respect of construction, accommodation, furniture, and other equipments of the canteens. Second one is the food stuff to be served therein. Third one is the date by which such canteen shall be provided. And fourth one is the constitution of managing committee for the canteens. Thereafter, section 47, shelters, restrooms, and lunchrooms. This section states that if a number of workers in a factory crosses 250, then the factory owner should construct and maintain shelters, restrooms, and lunchrooms for workers. It allows the workers to eat the food which they bring along with them. The shelters, restrooms, and lunchrooms should be properly ventilated and lighted. The state government may be prescribed the standards in respect of construction, accommodation, furniture, and other equipments. Section 48, Creches. Due to workforce diversity, nowadays women's participation is increasing in all sectors, especially the industrial sector. One of the factors that stop women to work in a factory or any other sector is lack of care for their children during their working hours. In order to solve this problem and increase the engagement of women in factories, Section 48 states where number of women workers exceed 30, then the factory should arrange a special room for the workers' kids who are below the age of 6 years. The room should be properly lighted and ventilated. Thereafter, Section 49, Welfare Officer. This states that every factory wherein 500 or more workers are ordinarily employed, the occupier shall employ prescribed number of welfare officer. Thereafter, last section, Section 50, power to make rules to supplement this chapter. The state government may make rules for any factories or description of factories from compliance with any provision of this chapter. To exempt subject compliances with such alternative arrangement for the welfare of workers as may be prescribed, to make representative of workers employed in the factory associated with the management of the welfare arrangement of the workers. Somehow, there are a close relationship between safety measures and the efficiency of workers. That is, if the proper welfare measures are taken, then the productivity of the employees will increase. Ultimately, the profit of the organization will increase. Efficiency results in increasing the average output per worker. It is reflected in increased productivity. The welfare measures increases the productivity of the organization as well as it enhances the moral and the motivation of employees, which gives a positive impact on the efficiency level of the organization. These measures are concerned not only with the physical efficiency and safety of the workers but also his general well-being. They result in improving the condition under which workers are employed and work. It provides protection to their life and line. Inadequate provision of safety measures in factories may lead to increase in the number of accidents, human failure due to carelessness, ignorance, inadequate skill, and improper supervision have also contributed to accident and the consequent need for such measures. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. I will see you in next video. Take care.